Aston Martin Vantage 2018 revealed, release date, price, specs and pictures. The new Aston Martin Vantage 2018 has been revealed alongside its price, specs, tech, DB10-inspired design and set of pictures. Here is everything you need to know about the car and its release date in the UK. Aston Martin Vantage 2018 has finally been revealed after months of teasers. The new Vantage 2018 has been a hotly anticipated car, which has been spotted camouflaged testing on tracks and in teaser images from Aston Martin. One of its most debated features of the latest Vantage was what direction the design would be taken in. Undoubtedly it is an Aston, but the car is displaying some new design language which could be an indication of future models. It has a sporty and an athletic design with the muscular curves across the body, pronounced bond and sharp chrome-lined grille. Elements of the DB10 look to have been woven into the new design, including the wide-set narrow headlights and low full-length grille.